In this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here on your search bar and search in here for WhatsApp button. So let's search in here for that. And then in here, it will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. So click on this WhatsApp button on Shopify App Store. Now this will open in here a new tab wherein you can show yourself with the App Store of WhatsApp. So in here, let's just wait for this. And you can see in here a lot of options that you can choose from this particular applications. You can install them if you want. But for this, I recommend you to use this the WhatsApp Marketing Plus Chat. So let's click on this one. And then from in here, click on this install. Once you have done that, this will open here a new tab wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your store. Just head over and click on this install button and then it will install itself. So you can see in here the WhatsApp chat button. Let's click on this add WhatsApp button right here. And then in here, this will load like this. Now this will load like this. You just need to enter in here your phone number and select the size of the WhatsApp button that you want. It can be small up to XXL. Now in here, you can choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on the page. So let's put it around the mid upper right or around the upper right or only the right here. Now you can also put in here a pre-filled message. It can be optional. And you can also try the pro features by 7 days free trial. You can choose in here WhatsApp desktop or WhatsApp web. In here also you can input a page URL wherein people will actually head over and chat you or send you WhatsApp message. You can also choose in here a premium button that you want, which are actually different variations of logo of WhatsApp. And then save your progress. And once you have done that, you should be able to add this particular tool to your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.